How do I copy a file in Python? Introduction. File operations are a core part of Python programming. You often need to duplicate files, backup data, move configuration files, process datasets, generate reports. A very common Python question is, how do I copy a file in Python? Python provides multiple ways depending on complexity, but the easiest and recommended approach is shutil.copy or shutil.copy2. This topic explains file copying methods, shutil module, difference between copy functions, metadata handling, error handling, best practices, common mistakes. This is a fundamental Python file handling concept. Method 1. Using shutil.copy. Python provides a built-in module. Import shutil, basic example, shutil.copy, source.txt, destination.txt, copies file content, creates new file, does not preserve metadata. Internal concept, source file, .read content, .write to destination file. Method 2, using shutil.copy2. Better version, import shutil, shutil.copy2, source text, destination text. Why copy2 is better? It preserves. Check. Timestamps, file metadata, permissions, where supported. Example, shutil copy2, A text, B text. Difference between copy and copy2. Function copies content, preserves metadata. Copy, yes. Copy2, yes. Method 3, copy using open, manual way. You can manually copy file content with open, source.txt.rb as src, with open dest.txt wb as dst, dst.write src.read. When to use this? Custom, processing, filtering data while copying, learning purposes. Method 4. Using pathlib, modern Python approach. From pathlib, import path, import shutil. src equals path, source.txt. dst equals path, dest.txt. Shutil, copy2, src, dst. Why pathlib plus shutil? Clean syntax, object-oriented paths, cross-platform safe. Copying large files efficiently. Avoid reading everything at once. With open, source.txt, rb as src. With open, dest.txt, wb as dst. While chunk equals circ, read 1024. dst.write, chunk. Internal process. Read file in chunks. Write chunk to new file. Repeat until complete. Real-world example. Backup file. Import shutil. Shutil copy2. config.json. Backup config.json. Example. Log file copy. Shutil copy app.log. Archive app.log. File copying may fail due to missing file, permission issues, invalid path. Example with error handling. Import shutil. Try shutil copy2 a.txt b.txt. Except file not found error. Print source file not found. Except permission error. Print permission denied. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Forgetting import shutil. Copy a.txt b.txt. Hashtag error. 2. Using wrong mode in manual copy. Wrong. Open file.txt. For binary safe copy, use RB and WB. 3. Assuming copy preserves metadata. It does not. 4. Overwriting important files accidentally. Always validate destination path. Performance considerations. Method performance. Shutil.copy2. Fast plus safe. Manual read-write slower. Chunked copy best for large files. Use shutil copy2 by default. Use chunked copying for large files. Handle exceptions properly. Validate file paths. Avoid overwriting critical files. Simple definition. File copying. Creating a duplicate of a file at a different location. Simple definition. Shutil.copy. A Python function that copies file contents to a new location. Simple definition. shutil.copy to, a function that copies file contents and preserves metadata. Final summary. To copy a file in Python, basic copy import, shutil.copy, a.txt, b.txt, recommended copy, shutil.copy to, a.txt. Key idea. Use shutil.copy to for safe and complete file copying, and use chunked methods when working with large files.